set off on a new journey around our entire region. I hope the world will follow this example and start developing again.
Wow, the mayor seems so dignified now.
Yeah, you're right. Although we face a great many hardships ahead, I am certain that if we all work together, we will see them through safely. You, the great citizens of Palm Brinks, have weathered so many storms and coped with so much adversity that today's victory goes to you all. There was a time when our world was blanketed in darkness. The people of that time fought back and reclaimed their future. But the story of their battle could never be passed down to future generations. Did this amazing adventure really happen or not? No one can say for sure. But if you could walk out into the night sky and speak to the moon, I'm certain it would tell you all about our strange adventure.
The sun